So I left corporate in 2012. So this is the 10-year anniversary of me being out and off of that financial corporate plantation. I did take that 10 years to detox from just that very fast paced, very fake environment. Listen, there's nothing worse. I cannot stand, that type of environment. And after a while, it like wears on you. And you know, some people can keep up with that lifestyle, that persona, like that type of like dog eat dog, taking advantage of people for the sake of like money. That's just not my get down. Like, so I had to leave corporate. I was like, the money is amazing, but it was very challenging being an honest person, being in that type of environment. The bank doesn't really care about, you being ethical in your dealings.